So ever since my brother started metal detecting and finding some really awesome treasures, now he is by the beach, so yes, people do drop a lot of different things out that way, but he also has gone to like different parks and has found like, I don't know if you would call them relics, but maybe like war type stuff and different coins and silver dollars and all this crazy stuff. And I was like, you know what? I really want to do that. So while this is not the top of the line one that he is using, I thought getting started with something like this. Now, this is the Hazlewolke. So this really comes with a lot of the things that you're going to need to get started. The best thing here is has this little carrying case, and it comes with this really heavy duty shovel, which is like a serrated shovel to help you dig. Now, there may be a few things that you also might want to pick up, like an extra basket and things like that to screen it. But you'll see here, assembly was really easy. Yeah, there's a bunch of parts, but really straightforward. Easy to put together, great looking color. I love it. Also, it comes with this really great carrying bag too. And this has worked really well. So the detection on this is pretty good, and you can find all types of metals with it. Let me go ahead and show you what the screen looks like here. Now, for someone just getting started, I think this is perfect. It has that arm holster, so you can put your arm right in it. It's extendable, but you can set the different intensities for the different types of metal, how sensitive it is, things like that. So it makes it really great and perfect for the entry level. Now, if you don't want people to hear you metal detecting, there is the little plug there on the side. Comes with headphones. You can plug those in. Battery power, easy enough to replace those batteries. Very, very easy. It will also show you the depth right there of what the item is that you may have found. Of course, I'm not finding anything as I'm walking. Let's see. Thought I heard it go off for a second. But there's all these different types of metals, and if you read the instructions, it will tell you how the sensitivity works, the different types of metals, how they respond, and everything like that. So, not picking up anything where I'm at right here. If I go ahead, so let's just keep walking, see if I pick anything up. Now you're gonna wanna watch, I mean, I'm just doing this for the video. They do talk about the best way to really do your sweep and things like that to make sure you're getting the best coverage. But if I go here, so obviously that's metal and it's telling me the different percentage. That's not what I want to look for. I know that's there, but I have found, and this is just in my front lawn trying this, I found a few coins, some nails, things like that. And there's also ways that you can set it to avoid different type of metals. Maybe you have no interest in finding things that are going to be low quality, so you can avoid that, and you'll know what it says on there. So this metal detector really would be excellent for someone looking to get started, whether you're by the beach, riverbanks, if you want to just go to parks where you're allowed, make sure you're allowed to do it at those parks, or, you know, other properties where you have permission to do that. I think that would be awesome. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and throw down, you know, just a piece of change and just show you how it detects that. Now, this is going to be on top of the grass, but I'm also going to do one that's a little bit in some dirt that we have. And I'm just going to throw it in there so you can see kind of what the depth is. But I did see a few other videos online where they showed the distance and depth that this was detecting. Now, they were just holding different metals away from it. It was not in the ground at all. So, you know, it could be different because you're going to have the ground that is providing some coverage for those different types of things. But overall, I think this is a really great way to get started. So let me just go get some metals and throw it down on the ground and show you. Now these things right here, they're like for jewelry making. This is a nail file, things like that. So if I just put it down here, you'll hear it beep with the different sounds. Obviously that's right next to it. Let's go ahead, we're gonna put one down in the grass right here. Obviously it's on top of the grass. But then also over here where I do have some dirt, we're gonna just bury that right there. Hopefully we can find it. It's not real gold, not really worried about that. So if we pick this up and we kind of sweep the area, you can see it's already picking it up. And again, you can set that sensitivity. So we see that, so we can set the sensitivity if we want to do that. Then you can do a pinpoint mode, and as you get closer, you can see the pinpoint mode goes off, so I know exactly where it's at. So that's pretty cool. So let's go back here, see where we put this other coin. See who's gonna pick it up. Not picking that up. Let's raise the sensitivity a little bit. So I put up the sensitivity. It's kind of going a little crazy. Let's do that again. Now it's picking it up. Okay. So you kind of have to find that happy medium right there. Put on pinpoint. I know it's here somewhere. So pinpoint is, there you go. As soon as I went over it a little bit, right there. So I'm gonna know. All right. I think the treasure is somewhere right around here. Let's see. All right. All right, where's that treasure? Where'd it go? There it is. I really do think the Hazlewolke get started, and then hey, if you're ready, you really want to upgrade to something bigger and better, then you can do that. But to get started, to learn how it works, I think you're going to be able to find and discover a lot of different things using this one. And now it's beeping again. I really wonder what I found, but I would recommend checking this out and hope